Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a good quality video using colorings in CapCut. So for this, you need to import your clips and go to filter, find the retro category and select the VHS3 and set it into 25. Okay, and then go to adjust, click on the adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, set it into -10 and add some contrast to 5. Saturation -5 and then exposure 15. Then sharpen into 100 and then click on highlight and add it into 10. For the shadow, lower it into 5. And the temperature, lower it to -10. And last, add some vignette effect up to 5. And you are done. Click on the check icon, and now here is the result for the good quality video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.